The bull rally, which I talked about since the beginning of the year, is going extremely well. Gold is unstoppable for the third week in a row, slapping down all the sellers who started to short.
Barry, you can't just... Oh, Larry! Oh, are you alright? How did... Barry!
I have some more good news. Now, fundamentals are getting stronger since the yellow metal started to gain more attention from investors. Now, this chart shows exactly what you think of. Gold is now outperforming the tech firm as investors switch to risk-off mode and turn to safe haven assets like gold. And if it wasn't enough for you, here's another chart showing the heightened demand for mining stocks, which are now outperforming the usual winning sectors during the economic turmoil, even outperforming oil ETFs. A supply chain issue along with the 4-decade high inflation and global shortage of commodities helped to bring back the shine on gold, and these issues are going to stay with us for the rest of the year. And now we have two of the biggest countries of the world are about to start a bloody war. Now this year, every single live trading sessions that we had, which involved heavy fundamental analysis combined with strong technicals and based around economic data release, for example CPI, PPI, NFP or anything else, were absolutely perfect. The only easy day was yesterday, so now let's have a look on the technicals and what do we have for next week. Stay tuned, it's coming. Gold is smashing through the major resistance levels, which by the way coincidentally placed at every $50 marker starting from 1800 this year. If you move down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that currently gold is massaging the resistance level at 1900 per troy ounce. Now this is an extended rally and a drop could come at any time, but the current global situation does not point into this direction, so let's focus on the bullish momentum continuation. In case of a larger pullback, the previous weekly resistance will be a new support level. Moving down to the 1-hour time frame, you can see that gold is massaging the 1900 level, and in case of a bullish continuation, I really see two possible scenarios. The first one, in case of a bigger drop, if price comes down, the previous resistance at 1880 will give us a strong foundation for a bullish continuation to upside. Now the second scenario, as you might have guessed it right, could be that price is going to break through the resistance level, retest it, and then there is no stopping until 1950. But how can you be so sure that this level is going to be the resistance level, which then becomes a support? This is why you have to monitor higher time frame analysis and lower time frame price action. The next thing you want to do is move down to lower time frame and see what gold is trying to tell us with the current price action. And what we can see on the 15-minute chart is gold is closing in this beautiful wedge. Now this can go really into two ways. The first is gold going to melt and goes down to 1880, which was the resistance level that could become a support for now. The next scenario, and this is an important part, so pay attention. If gold breaks out from this wedge, you have to go down to the 5-minute chart and see how gold is going to react to the 1800 level. If gold comes up and starts to move sideways just below the resistance level, it means that pressure is building up and it's going to break to the upside. So if you see any kind of sign or any kind of price action that looks like a consolidation below the resistance level, trust me, it's going to be pressure building up and it's going to break to the upside. It happened multiple times in gold. We even have proof on YouTube because we traded this. But let's say you miss both of these entries and gold is breaking through the resistance level of 1900. All you have to do, my friend, is just wait patiently for the retest and the continuation to 1950. But if it's still not enough and you can't make sense of the fundamentals and the technicals, don't worry. All you have to do is head to my website, check out the available plans. We have morning briefings, daily analysis, intraday setups, and a fantastic community. So if you want to join us on the other side, check out the available plans and see you next week. This is the Alpha FX.